This is a Xiaomi 70Mai Pro, a versatile dashcam which is a direct upgrade from original 70Mai. This is not a minor upgrade, it has all aspects to be a perfect car guardian. In simple box you will find a dashcam itself, windshield mounting bracket, magnetic foil for windshield, power cable with cigarette lighter charger, and finally tool for hiding power cable in car dash interior. Xiaomi 70Mai Pro design changed a lot in positive way. Design is interesting. This time Xiaomi had a different approach. All plastic build as start point, sturdy and no crunching at all. There are a lot of highlights on new 70Mai Pro, and first of them to see is screen. I was unable to find information about correct resolution. It is not particularly high, though it is good enough. Viewing angles are below average, but not a problem as dashcam is in front of you when you use it. Under the screen there are navigation buttons, and on the left we see a rotating 140-degree f1.8 6 elements lens image sensor. It is a Sony EMX335. There is also a LED light camera status notification. On the back where windshield mount goes we see pins, which are used for GPS add-on, which is sold separately from 70Mai Pro default package. Keep in mind that some features aren't available without GPS add-on. 70Mai Pro has generous 500 mAh battery, which is solid capacity to have. And not any less important is microSD card slot, which is located on the right side. When you power on the camera, and this is English version by the way, neat welcome tutorial will guide you through important informations, how to use your 70Mai Pro. Simple and quick intro tutorial after which you will be ready to use your 70Mai Pro to its fullest potential. Also, connecting 70Mai Pro with your cell phone is recommended if you want to change settings from your phone or transfer videos and images. Menus are intuitive and navigation is excellent. I want to mention that if you want to use maximal resolution, which 70Mai Pro can provide, you will need to use H.265 codec. Advanced driver assistance system is unavailable for use if you don't have a GPS add-on installed. This is also the case for Watchdog, which is also GPS related feature. Installation of 70Mai Pro is a breeze. Hiding a cable can vary from car to car and your personal aesthetic needs, so that part is up to you. This is one of the problems which I encountered, and that is a fact that camera just can rotate up and down, which basically means that as you can see here, the sensor is looking a bit more on the left side, so basically the view of the camera is more oriented to the left side, or if you are in UK on the right side, because if you put the camera exactly behind the mirror you won't be able to see the screen, at least not completely. Some people won't be bothered with that, but I personally want to see the screen and when it is needed. But you can always switch positions if you decide to do that later. Overall, voice commands work pretty good. I didn't encounter situations where I am giving a voice command and that dashcam isn't recognizing it. It works pretty well. Video quality overall is really good, both during daylight and night. A lot of details, especially in higher resolution. Fluent frame rate and high bitrate provide excellent video quality in all situations, and that is what is important in overall package. Keep in mind that highest resolution aspect ratio is 4:3, when other two are 16:9, though both resolutions above 1080p have 20 megabytes per second bitrate. When I start thinking about Xiaomi 70Mai Pro, first thing which I want to point out, and it is a negative thing, is the fact that when you read marketing material, they didn't mention that some of main features which are highlighted are dependent on GPS adapter, for which you need to pay additionally. Other than that, it is a great dashcam. 70Mai Pro looks discreet when mounted, and voice commands are a neat thing to have when driving. Footage is excellent. Video quality during the day and night is superb, and that is really something. car surveillance feature with its motion and G sensor detection is really neat thing to have. For this amount of money, a great purchase. But what I would like to see in the future versions is back camera support input. That would make a Xiaomi 70Mai Pro a perfect dashcam all-in-one solution. 70Mai Pro will be my dashcam of choice, and that means that it gets my warm recommendation if you want a cheap and versatile dashcam. Detailed specifications and best prices of Xiaomi 70Mai Pro can be found down below in the description box. Also, I would like to hear your opinion about 70Mai Pro. What feature you are missing on it? Until next time, see ya guys.